Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Okay. I can see most of the participants have joined, so we can get started.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So which group wants to
Yeah.
start first?
Group one.
Yeah, please, over to
Uh,
you.
yeah. Okay. Let me know if you can see the like the screens. Uh,
I'm not able to see your screen still.
I guess you can see now.
Yes, I can see now.
Okay. So I'll be presenting SQL today. SQL presentation and the queries, and then my other teammates will be presenting the final presentation. Uh, hi guys. This is Akshita from Group One. And today we are going to learn see about the how SQL can how we can use SQL to get the data, and then what queries will be given for the KPIs that is given. So we are using high cloud data. So these are the tables that are present, and we have loaded it correctly. So the count of main data is around 1 lakh something, 11 lakhs. So these are now I'll be going to the query. So here we need to calculate the fields of year, month, and month date, month number, uh, and all. So this is the query. I've created the view as KPI1 and given the query for like written the queries for separately for quarter, month, and weekday and weekend. So this is the query. I'll be running it. So we get year number, month number, and the day number, and according to the query of whatever is required, this will be the um, result. And then coming to second KPI, we need to find the load percentage yearly, quarterly, and month wise basis load factor. So for a load factor, the formula is sum of transported passengers and available seat by 100. So sorry, into 100. So this is for the year number, and according to year, the transported passengers and then available seats and then the load factor for that particular thing. Uh, this is the accordingly quarter number and month, quarter and month is taken. Quarter wise, this is the one, and this is the month wise. So coming back to coming next to third one, we need to see carrier basis name, carrier names according to the load factor. So this is the query for that. We need to calculate the load factor and then group by carrier name. So here is the result for that. So next after that, we have taken top 10 carrier names based on passenger preferences. So this is carrier names and then transported passengers by that carrier or by that flight company. And then after that, we need to like the fifth KPI is top routes. uh, from the companies, and then these are the top routes and number of flights of that route, like how many flights are allotted for that route. And then coming to sixth KPI, we need to differentiate weekday and weekend load factor for the flights. So, as we all saw before, only in the other dashboards, week weekday and weekend, weekdays are more and weekends are less. So the same way here also we can see. And coming to last KPI, the number of flights based on distance group. So here we have taken the distance group from uh, main data table and then distance group table, and compared it group by both the like according to the intervals. So here are the results for that. That's it by for the SQL, sir. Uh, Now, my friend Gayatri will be presenting the final presentation, final PPT for the group. Yeah, Gayatri, over to you.
Yeah, hi Akshita.
Hi.
Can you make it in the presentation mode?
Can you see now?
Yeah, you can present it in the presentation mode in the PPT. Go to the presentation. Yeah, thank you. Hi, the first slide. Hi everyone, this is Gayatri here from Group 1, and along with me is Shreya. We two will be presenting our project title High Cloud Analysis PPT. Next slide. Our team members include Sujit, Shreya, Tripti, Tanushree, Akshita, and myself. So the contents we included in the project is introduction, business of someone's mic
Can
is
you
on.
please be on mute? Others, can you please be on mute? Everyone else?
Um, Sejal Hadge's mic is on. Can you unmute?
Guys, can you please be on mute? Others? So can someone tell your group member?
Sejal Hadge's mic is on. Can you please mute yourself? Yeah, thank you. So content in this PPT include the introduction, the business overview, project scope, data model challenges, the dashboard overview we created in this project, and suggestions and comments. Next slide. So the objective of our project focuses on analyzing data to improve the High Cloud Airlines operational efficiency and profitability. So on this slide, you can see our project is to gain, our project objective is to gain a comprehensive understanding of High Cloud Airlines operations through data analysis. So far, we have been investigating load factor, identifying top carrier names based on passenger preferences, analyzing the popular routes, and exploring other key metrics. So, and our ultimate goal is to provide actionable recommendations that can enhance operational efficiency and profitability. Next slide. In an introduction to the high clouds, the vision of the high clouds is to revolutionize the airline industry through data-driven insights and optimization. Next slide, please. So coming to the business overview, this slide includes how the harnessing the power of the data, the high cloud airlines can gain valuable insights into various aspects of its business so that they could make a data-driven decisions that can lead to the improved load factor, passenger experience, resource allocation, and a data-driven decision making. So coming to the load factor, the KPIs we analyzed, such as load factor, can be used to understand how efficiently the flights are filled. So by identifying the routes or times with lower load factors, HighCloud can optimize pricing strategies, adjust flight schedules, or target marketing campaigns to improve the passenger volume. Coming to the passenger experience of the business overview we created, through data analysis of this passenger preference, they can understand which airlines are most popular with the passengers. This information can be used to improve aircraft selection, onboard amenities, and overall service offerings, leading to a more satisfying passenger experience. Coming to the resource allocation, we analyzed HighClouds so that HighClouds could allocate resources effectively. They can prioritize these routes with larger aircraft, adjust staffing levels at corresponding airports, and ensure efficient scheduling to meet passenger demand. Coming to the data-driven decision making, so by analyzing the KPIs like weekend versus weekday load factors, HighClouds can make informed decisions about pricing strategies, staffing, and marketing efforts, like targeting promotions or offering special rates for the weekdays can help improve the overall load factor and revenue. Next slide, please. Coming to the project scope, here, the specific scope of the project focused on analyzing the key performance indicators that we have given to gaining deeper understanding of the load factor, passenger preference, the popular routes, and operational efficiency. Load factor we calculated load factor here on various time frames like yearly, quarterly, and monthly, and for different carrier names. So this analysis will help identify the trends and opportunities to improve efficiency by optimizing pricing, scheduling, and marketing campaigns to fill the more seats. Coming to the passenger preferences, by analyzing the passenger volume data, we aim to identify the top 10 most preferred carrier names. This information can be used to understand the passenger choices and inform marketing and pricing strategies to attract the passengers and boost ticket sales for less preferred carriers. Coming to the popular routes, analyzing the flight data revealed the most frequently flown routes. So this information is crucial for resource allocation. HighClouds can prioritize these routes with larger aircraft, optimize staffing at corresponding airports, thus strategically to meet the passengers' demand. Coming to the operational efficiency, like analyzing the KPIs like weekday versus weekend load factors can reveal the operational patterns. This information can be used to make data-driven decisions about the staffing levels, pricing strategies, and marketing efforts. Next slide, Shreya will be continuing. Shreya, over to you.
Thank you, Gayatri. I'm Shreya. Today, we are delving into the challenges encountered during data analysis and the strategies to overcome. We address three key challenges. First one is data volume, data quality, and complex relationships. During our analysis, we encountered hurdles essential for getting accurate insights. Managing big sets of data efficiency is a big one. Making sure our data is accurate and reliable is key too. Plus, figuring out how different pieces of data are connected can be tricky, and then overcoming these obstacles help us get the best insights from our data. Next slide. Let's come into dashboards. This is our Tableau dashboard. Designed to analyze our HighCloud services. Here we have integrated KPIs like usage, uptime, costs, and customer satisfaction with scorecards and filters. Next slide. And this is our Tableau dashboard. Next. Recommendations. To enhance operational efficiency and overall performance, firstly, we suggest optimizing flight routes by analyzing top performing routes and flights, thereby refining schedules and resources allocation. Secondly, leveraging load factor analysis will enable us to identify trends and implement strategies to enhance load factors, driving increased efficiency. Additionally, strategic collaborations with leading carriers can maximize passenger transportation and streamline operations. And finally, resource allocation should be executed judicially, informed by flight schedules and passengers' volume data to ensure smooth operations and minimize wait times, particularly at airports with high passenger traffic. Next slide. In conclusion, leveraging high cloud analysis data enables the aviation industry to drive efficiency, strategic decision making, and pave the way for a brighter future of growth and improvement. Thank you.
Good job, guys. One quick comment is the points that you explained are correct, but I was expecting that the points should be supported by the data. For example, someone told weekdays. You mentioned about weekdays operations will help us to decide our what are the operational needs. So if you could have told that with the numbers, that would have been great. You just told the definition of it, but main idea was to connect those definitions with the data what you have analyzed. Making sense?
Yes, sir.
If you had given some facts there, that would have been great. But just remember for the next project.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to next group. Group number 2.
Yes. Hi. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Let me know if my screen is visible. It's visible now.
Guys, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Then please respond. When someone asks, you have to respond. Okay.
Hi. Good afternoon, all. I'm Pragati from Group 2. I'm gonna explain the high cloud analysis with the using of MySQL queries. So we have created the database here, and this is our main data. And for calendar table, we have created the date key functions like year, month, day, week, and month name column, weekday, year, month, and day name columns, and financial month and financial quarters. After that, we insert the calendar like date column, year, and month, day, and week with the help of this formula. We using the case formula for the financial months and the financial quarter. We have used these formulas, and after that, this is our calendar table. Here the date key column is there, year, month, and day, and week, and month name, and weekday, and year, month, and day name is there, and quarters, and the financial months, and the financial quarter. And the next KPI is about year and quarter and monthly basis load factor percentage. So here we use the conjugate function and some round function for the sorry. So this is the carrier name basis load factor percentage. So we can see according to carrier name, like for Corsair, the load factor percentage is 88.55%. So we can check with the help of carrier names. And the next KPI is all about top 10 carriers based on the passenger preference. So we have used here the count formula with the help of transported passengers. So we can check here with the use of carrier name, like how much passengers are for each carrier name. Like for US Airway, there are 4,288 passengers. So we can check with the help of their names. And the next KPI is top routes based on the number of flights. So we have used here the sum formula. So with the help of this, we can check from to city with the help of flights count. And like for Washington DC to New York, there are 5,302 flights. So we can check with the help of their names. And the next KPI is for load factor percentage on weekday and weekends. So we have used here the case function and the concate function and the transported passengers divided by the available seats. So for the weekend, there is 64.09% load factor, and for weekday is 64.05% load factor. The next KPI is count of flights based on the distance groups. So we have used here the count function to count the airline ID and to use the join. With the help of join, we have joined two tables. The first table is main data, the second table is distance groups, and based on the common column distance group ID. So this is the distance interval, and this is the total flights according to the distance interval. Like for less than 500 miles, there are 58,047 flights. So we can check for each distance interval. So that's it from my side. The PPT will be presented by Vishwa. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Pragati. Let me share my screen. It's visible now, sir?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, hi everyone. This is Vishwa Kumar here from group number 2. So I'm going to present a HiCloud Airlines analysis. So we have a total 6 members, Harika, Hema, Prabhat, and Swati, Pragati, and myself. So before I say about the, before I start my presentations, I would like to say about the introduction. So HiCloud Airlines is a pioneering venture in the aviation industry committed to redefining the standards of luxury and convenience in the air travel. With steadfast focus on innovation, exceptional services, and sustainability, HiCloud Airlines to elevate the flying experience for discerning travelers worldwide. So it is based on cost efficiency, scalability, reliability, and customer experiences. So as per scope of business, we have added a financial analysis, market analysis, operational analysis, customer, technological, and environmental analysis. So overall, the scope of HiCloud Airlines business multifaceted and encompassing various aspects of air transportations, luxury travel, hospitality, and logistics. By focusing on the excellence, innovation, and customer satisfaction, HiCloud Airlines aims to position itself as a leading player in the aviation industry. So this is the problem statement. The first one is the data fragmentation quality. So we have added some solution also. So implement a data governance framework to ensure data consistency, quality, and integrity. And the second is the legacy system. So the solution is the gradually modernized legacy system or implement worldwide middleware solutions to enable data interoperability. So in the scalability and performance, we have the solution is the invest in scalable infrastructure and cloud-based analytics platforms to handle large volumes of data efficiently. So optimizing the data processing workflows and algorithms to improve performance and scalability. So this is a Power BI dashboard. So you can see all the numbers of total airlines, total city, total passenger, total country, and total distance. And in the donut chart, you can see the weekday and weekday wise load factor percentage and count of transported passenger by career name wise. And in the pie chart, you can see the city wise airline count percentage. So company can focus analyzing routes for profitability, demand, and efficiency can help HiCloud Airlines optimize their route network and deploy resources and effectively. And improving customer satisfaction through personalized services and excellent customer services can lead to increased loyalty and positive word of mouth. And streamlining operation, reducing cost, and enhance overall efficiency and profitability for the airline. So after that, safety and compliances, sustainability initiative, market expansion, and digital transformation. Overall, by focusing on these areas, HiCloud Airlines can position themselves for long-term success and competitiveness in the aviation industry. So as per conclusion is the High Cloud Airlines exhibits solid financial performance with healthy revenue growth and manageable cost structure. And the airline has demonstrated operational excellence in the terms of aircraft utilization, on-time performance, and capacity management. And High Cloud Airlines enjoy a favorable market position with a strong route network and competitive fares. And in the last, embracing the innovative technologies such as predictive maintenance system and data analytics can drive operational efficiency and improve customer service delivery. That's all from Group 2. Thank you.
Thank you. Good job. Let's go to group number 3.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes.
You can see.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Navya from Group 3. Today I'm going to present SQL Cloud Airlines. And this first we have import our data main table into SQL, and we have created date and month number, month full name and quarter, and year of month, and weekday number, weekday name, and financial quarter and financial month. Here we can see the all calculation we have find through this. And moving to next second KPIs, we have to find the load factor percentage on yearly, quarterly base. And here is the output. And third KPI is we have to find the load factor percentage on carrier name basics. This is the output I have get. And fourth KPI is the top carrier name based passenger preference. Next one is display the top routes of front to city based on the number of flights. And here are the output. And the next one is identify the how much load factor is occupied the weekday and weekend version. Here we can see the weekend and weekday versus load factor percentage. And next is use the filter to provide the search capability to find the flight between sources countries and sources cities and destination countries. We have get like this query output. Another one is identify the number of flights based on the distance groups. We have used this queries to find the answer. And this is our output. Next question is identify the number of flights based on the distance group. Here is the output. That's all from us. Next, the PPT will present Sarah.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Let me present my screen. Hi everyone, good afternoon. I'm Sarah from Group 3. Now I'm going to present high cloud airline analysis PPT. So, coming to the slides, as we all know that airline industry is a complicated sector which operates globally, regionally, and low-cost carriers. They manage various flights and operates with a complex ecosystem, fuel prices, and regulatory standards. And it is a dynamic industry influenced by various factors, influencing adaptability, strategic planning, and have a commitment of customer satisfaction and safety for a long-term success. And the purpose of analyzing the data serves as fundamental tools for improving efficiency, making informed decisions, and staying competitive in this challenging business environment. It helps airlines navigate operational complexities, migrate risk, and enhance overall performance. So, now let's see, we have analyzed a few dashboards with the help of tools using Excel, Tableau, Power BI, and SQL. Let us examine the dashboards where the load factor is the key performance for the airlines. So this is our Excel dashboard where we find all the KPIs which focuses on load factor especially. And this is our Power BI dashboard 1, and this is dashboard 2, Tableau dashboard. Now let us see what all we learned from this project. Load factor is the key metrics used for benchmarking an airline performance against competitors. Airlines may compare their load factors with industry averages to assess their relative position in the market. Airlines use load factor data for strategic planning, route optimization, and fleet management. As per the analysis of data, 2017 has the highest load factor and 2009 has the lowest load factor, which directly impacts airline financial performance. Operating with consistently low load factors may lead to financial losses, while maintaining a high load factor contributes to profitability. Also, Delta Airlines has the highest load factor, which is 19.60%, with highest number of 8,721 transported passengers. Airlines known for consistently high load factors may be precised as operationally efficient and capable of maximizing revenue through effective capability utilization and can be successful in revenue generation. Passengers often associate crowded flights with popular routes and may choose carriers with higher load factors for a sense of reliability. And this will be the greatest strategy and forward thinking. Coming to the insights, it's important to tailor the analysis to the specific goals and questions of the project. By dividing the data with a focused approach, you can cover actionable insights that can inform strategic decisions, improve operational efficiency, and contribute to overall success of the airlines. So first one, financial stability. This is the key contributor. And the second one is fleet composition. Next, market analysis, demand analysis, on-time performance, competition, and growth opportunities. At last, I conclude that analyzing this data is a pivotal for strategic decision-making, enhancing operational efficiency, and ultimately fostering the overall success and competitiveness of the airline industry. By harnessing data analytic techniques, airlines can extract valuable insights from diverse sources such as passenger bookings, flight performance matrices, and customer feedback. These insights inform decisions across various domains, including route optimization, pricing strategies, fleet management. Thank you. That's all from my end.
Thank you. Good job. Let's go to group number 4.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes.
I am from group number 4. Today I am presenting the SQL for Hycroad and Airlines. This is the Hycroad Airlines for the SQL part. We can see the count of 17,868 rows. So this is right. And we created the views for every KPI. For a carrier name like this, we created for this view. And the data field view is this for we can find everything: data, month number, month name, quarters, year month, weekday number, weekday name, financial month, financial quarter. And the distance group IDs, we can see like this: number of flights, number of routes, and for the load factor as well. So year, quarter, month, and the load factor for the every year and quarter. And the searching capabilities, the KPI, the every data we can find here: airline, data source, region, carrier name, or origin country, destination country, origin state, and everything. And top 10 carrier name based. This is the view for the carrier name and the number of passengers. The Southwest Airlines is 5.4 millions, and the last is, I mean, the top 10 one is the Eagle Airlines, the 0.81 million.